I'm back, everybody. Welcome to AINT's Kitchen. And today, guys, guess what we doing? We making ribs. Ribs is on the menu today. And after cleaning the ribs, you want to get this membrane off of it. And it's easy to come off once you start. I like ribs tender. Ribs is on the menu today in AINT's Kitchen, y'all. We're gonna do this. I have all my seasonings out here that I want to show you all. The measurements I have, but right now, this right here is the baby of the kitchen today. These were spare ribs. You have the Tony's Creole seasoning, minced onion, thyme, pepper, onion powder, Saison complete mix, and then we have the allspice. Now all of these here are a teaspoon that I'm putting in here, okay? These ones that I have named is 1 teaspoon. On this side you have the chili powder, the smoked paprika, and the garlic powder. And all of these are a 1/2 tablespoon that I'm putting in. Here you have the 1/2 cup of brown sugar. We'll get to the honey, don't worry about that. But these are the seasonings that's going on here today. The seasonings I have out here, I'm gonna mix them up here. With the brown sugar. No, this is a nice blend here. These are sweet and spicy spare ribs. All right, guys, I got it all mixed up here. It's a lot of spices here. And just make sure you coat this on both sides. These spices got my nose tickling because I'm telling you, this is seasoned. It's gonna be no season lacking. Love have been shown to these ribs. And now what we're gonna do is, first of all, let me get out these gloves, guys. Okay, they are nice and seasoned. You wanna zoom in on this seasoned meat. So, what I'm gonna do now, I had the pepper flakes put over to the side. Because like I said, these are hot and spicy, sweet and spicy ribs. And we're only gonna give a couple of shakes of these pepper flakes because we have enough spice in here, okay? Use that at your own discretion. Now what I'm gonna do is, I already have the oven. I know y'all think I'm gonna say 350 degrees. Well, I'm not. At 300 degrees, and I'm gonna wrap these babies up like a newborn child, put them in the oven for an hour, low and slow, and then we're gonna check on them, and I'll be back. Okay guys, along with those ribs, I'm gonna have some baked sweet potatoes, and this is basically how I just cleaned them and dried them, and put some oil on them and put them in some foil and put it in the oven. So this is all I do. Just oil them. Okay, that's it. And those are going to bake for 45 to 55 minutes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look like it's doing some stuff, y'all. Okay, it's been 1 hour, guys. We're going to open this up and see where we go from here. Ooh, it's hot. Oh my, look at that. It smells good. It's already tender. And it's not even done yet. So, what I'm gonna do is, that honey that you all forgot about, because I didn't. It's time to put a little honey on this. Like I told you, it's sweet and spicy ribs. Okay? I'm gonna leave it uncovered for 35 minutes in the oven. I'm boosting it up to 400 degrees. Okay? Okay, y'all, it's been 35 minutes and I'm putting my barbecue sauce on my side, and the people who in my family like barbecue sauce. That side is for the folks in my family that do not like barbecue sauce. I'm gonna plate these and be right back. Okay guys, I'm back with the finished product. We have the ribs, the spicy and sweet ribs that we made today. And this is the plate of everything that I fixed today, of all of it together. So I'm gonna taste the sweet potato. Now on this sweet potato, you can put what you want to put on here. You can put brown sugar on it, you can put butter on it, you can put white sugar on it, you can do what you want to do to it. I like mine's plain. Okay, it's nice and soft, plain. It's sweet, naturally sweet. This corn, this corn is good. It is really good. Go follow the link to this one here. It's really good. And now the ribs. fall off the bone. Sweet, a little spicy, tender. What more can you ask for? You here in A.B. Kitchen. Look, I ain't going nowhere, y'all. And we will be back with more to come. Thank you for stopping in my kitchen today, and have a nice day.
Let me taste this. Y'all, this is so, I can't. These are so good.
What, those ribs?
This piece of heaven.
You call it heaven?
I'm gonna have an aneurysm because this is so good. Oh my gosh. You really did it today. I'm gonna give you your props. I'm gonna give you your props today. You did it.
You don't have to give me my props, baby. People give me my props all the time.
Well, don't get cocky now.
I'm not cocky.
Y'all.
But tell the people where to go, they can find it.
Just come to our house.
No, what is our channel?
And go to A.B. Kitchen, y'all. Let me tell y'all something. When I say this is the best thing I've ever had, this meal tops any other meal she has done thus far. The roast was good, the cabbage was good. Alright, but these ribs are so dang delicious. You thought I was, don't look at me like that. I know what y'all thought I was gonna say. Look at that. These ribs. They want to see me eat, A.B. They want to be here right now. I know they do. Y'all. Look at that. Look at that.
Is it tender?
So tender. You really, I'm glad you ain't got no man, cause
Don't be trying to talk about my business. Don't be trying to talk about my business.
it's all for me, and I'm fine with that. Y'all have a good day. I'm gonna continue to enjoy this. Have a good day.